Oh! Ang dami. Did you hear that? Oh! 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 Ay. Okay, yeah, so I've had 7 sessions, and before I came here, I had a nagging pain in my lower back specifically. Lagi siyang parang ngalay, and now I don't feel it anymore even when I do weights every day, and usually that's when I feel it, when I do weights and everything. As an athlete, of course, you have to push yourself all the time, but now going regularly to Doc Kim, after just a few sessions, honestly, I barely feel it anymore. So yeah, I'm really happy with the results. My legs are even now, and I told him that right after the session, my left foot, my left leg would feel more planted to the ground. So yeah, that's a big relief too, that I feel more balanced.